We'll guide you through how to use Chroma Key in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer and make sure you are in the Edit workspace. You need to load your clip with the green screen onto the timeline. Then, go over to the Effects library on the top left side of the screen. From there, navigate to Open FX and look for 3D Keyer under the Resolve FX Key section. Once you've found it, drag and drop the 3D Keyer effect onto your clip in the timeline. Now, go to the Inspector panel on the top right. If you can't see it, make sure the inspector is enabled by clicking the Inspector button. With the Inspector panel open, you'll see an option for Open FX. Click on it to display the 3D Keyer controls. Next, you want to use the Qualifier tool, which looks like a dropper. Click on it and then click on your green screen background in the video preview window. This action selects the color you want to remove. You might notice that it doesn't perfectly remove the green on the first try. So, you can adjust the selection by holding the Shift key and clicking on other areas of the green screen until you get a clean key. For finer adjustments, use the Despill slider to reduce any green spill around your subject. You can also use the Matte Finesse controls to fine-tune the edges. Now, to check your work, it's a good idea to place a background behind your keyed footage. Simply import your background image or video. Place it on a track below your keyed clip, and see how it looks. Tweak any settings if necessary for a seamless integration. That's it. You've successfully used Chroma Key in DaVinci Resolve. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.